Your lips are aging faster than your face, so let's fix that. Do you ever feel like your lip balm just vanishes after 10 minutes? Like you keep reapplying, but your lips still end up feeling dull or dry? Same, been there. Hi, I'm Priyanka and you're watching me on BeBeautiful. And today we're breaking down a lip routine that actually works, featuring scrubs, balms, and my go-to picks. Let's get into it. First, let's understand why your lips get dry. Unlike the rest of your body, your lips don't have oil glands, which means once they run out of moisture, they're gonna dry out super fast. Add to that hot coffee, matte lipsticks, and constant lip licking, your lips are going to give up. Plus, some balms have methanol or fragrance, which may feel good for a second, but make things worse for later. So if your lips are feeling dry or flaky, that's just your barrier saying, hey, I need a little bit of help. First, exfoliation. Exfoliate, but gently. And don't go overboard with the scrubbing because that can actually lead to your lips darkening over time. I'm really liking this Lakme Lip Love Scrub and I use it about twice a week. It's so hydrating and super gentle on my lips. In fact, you can also make a lip scrub at home. So here's what I do. A teaspoon of honey, a pinch of sugar, and a few drops of coconut oil. Mix it and gently scrub for about 20 to 30 seconds and simply wipe off with a damp cloth. That's it. It scrubs away the dead skin without irritating your lips, and the coconut oil naturally hydrates your lips. Choosing the right lip balm. Now, while picking a lip balm, you want to look for formulas that hydrate, repair, and protect. Dermatologists recommend balms with hydrating agents like glycerin, hyaluronic acid, or shea butter. Also look for barrier repairing ingredients like ceramides and petroleum, or antioxidants like vitamin E or C for added protection. SPF infused and fragrance-free options are ideal for everyday use as they protect your lips from the sun and irritation while maintaining its softness. My current go-to is L18's Juicy Lip Balm. It's lightweight, a bit on the glossier side, and honestly feels so fun to wear. It's enriched with oils and butters, so that means it's giving you that long-lasting shine and keeping your lips soft for hours. And pro tip, always apply your lip balm when your lips are a bit damp, like right after washing your face or brushing your teeth. That helps lock in the moisture and makes it last longer. At night, I go in with a thicker layer of lip balm. You can use the same lip balm and simply add a few drops of coconut oil. It acts like a sleeping mask and repairs your lips overnight. If you want to brighten your lips naturally, here's a quick DIY that you can try once a week. Mix beetroot juice with aloe vera gel, apply for 10 minutes and wipe it off. It gives that natural pink tint without being harsh. So here's a quick recap. Gentle scrub 2 to 3 times a week. Apply lip balm on damp lips, apply after meals or as and when needed, and apply a thicker layer of lip balm at night. And that's it! Lips don't need a lot of products, they just need consistency. If you found this video helpful, hit like and let me know in the comments which is your favorite lip balm. And for more such beauty videos and tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to BeBeautiful. And I'll see you next time.